Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another foundation review. I love foundations. Ordered this right away when it came out on Sephora's website. This is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. I got my shade in number 6N, which I think it will match me perfectly without my tan. I do have a little bit of tan going on, just a shade maybe. I'm a shade darker than my face, but we'll make it work with bronzer. But this is a beautiful packaging. It's right here. I love the rose gold packaging. This is plastic and it's a squeezy tube. So you just shake it really well and you squeeze the product out of this. It's really a beautiful packaging. I'm really happy with it. So when you're done with this foundation, you can actually refill the packaging. We sell the foundation separately by itself for $32. The actual foundation, it's $46 Canadian. This is a skin-loving skincare hybrid foundation with medium buildable coverage, formulated with ingredients known to provide antioxidant boost, balanced hydration, and moisture as well. So it moisturizes and hydrates, and it balances your oil production as well, diminishes visible signs of aging, and it comes in 26 shades, I believe, and it retails for $46. The refill bottle is for $32. So when this is finished, if I love it, I'm just gonna buy the refill. I'm gonna be applying this foundation on my face right now. I do have the Veil Mineral Primer by Hourglass, a thin, lightweight primer. I'm gonna shake this foundation. Do have dry skin. I feel like I did have some dry patches like here. I don't feel it anymore today. I had some dryness here between my eyebrows and a little bit on this cheek here. So I'm gonna take a little bit. So I'm just gonna take a pea size as they said. It's not too runny. I'm gonna apply it on this side of my face. It has a little scent, like herbal, like pleasant scent. It's not too strong. It looks like it has a lot of coverage. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you in. So I'm gonna blend this foundation with my brush and see how it goes. Yeah, just a little bit light on my skin, just a tiny bit, not too much. Sorry, I'm filming in the basement today. Just do my forehead. This is half of my face with the foundation. I'm looking very close in the mirror and I do feel like it's a little bit heavy. It looks heavy on the skin, just a tiny bit. I don't know, we'll see. So the coverage is medium, but I did use that pea size bit of this foundation. But this is no foundation, and this is the foundation side. It has that radiant finish. It's easy to blend. I haven't put anything on my nose or around my mouth area. Just gonna put a little bit on my nose right here, and this is just the pea size that I squeezed out. My nose is so dry, so we'll see how it goes on the nose. So I'm gonna take a little bit more, just the tiniest bit, just a little bit of this foundation, just to cover my forehead a little bit. I could have gone for the number 7, but it's not a bad match. I can make it work with bronzer because I feel like I'm really light in this foundation. It does feel like it's a serum-y foundation. This is the foundation. It looks really pretty, very like radiant. It hasn't set at all on my skin, so it still feels like I do have makeup on. I want to make it too heavy on my skin because I feel like it's a serum-y foundation and it's gonna look heavy and cakey. Build it up on my cheeks right here and a little bit on my forehead. And I just took less than a pea size. So my nose look really, really nice. Like it's not looking heavy or cakey. I do feel like there's a little bit of foundation just right here, but this is very dry patch that I have, and this is from my N95 mask that I wear. So this is the foundation here. As you can see, it's very, very glowy. I really like the finish. Medium coverage. I think you can build it up to a full coverage, but I'm not going to. It looks stunning on the skin at the moment. It's $241 at the moment. I'm going to be wearing this foundation until the end of the night, and I will come on camera and show you guys how it looks. I'm just going to finish my makeup and I will be right back. This is what the foundation looked like on my face. This is full face of makeup. I really love the way it looks on my face. This is just a window light right here. That's why I'm like really zoomed in before I sit down on my chair. But it looks stunning. It looks so beautiful. It's $313 at the moment. This is how the foundation looked like from afar. I really, really love the way it looks on my skin. I did, however, set all of my face with a powder. I'm just going to show you quickly what I used on my face so you can actually have an idea. I did set my T-zone and my under eyes with the Hourglass powder. I really love this powder and I know how it works, so I used it today. And as a bronzer, I kind of went with the One Size powder. This is in the shade medium 1 neutral. So I put this one on my cheeks, my forehead, and a little bit on the chin and the side of the nose. And my blush was from Almay. This is in the shade Nearly Nude. This is so beautiful. And what else did I put? I did not highlight today at all. I'm really happy how this foundation looks. I'm like looking very up close. It's not heavy on the skin. If you apply too much of this foundation, I think it will look cakey somehow because it's so serum-y, and I feel like it just sits on top of the skin. But if you have that thin layer of this foundation, it's gonna blend beautifully on the skin. So this is what I did, and it looks stunning. For my lips, I used Penny Beige. This is from Gucci. I really like this one. Not on its own though. I just have to kind of mix it with other lip liner and lip gloss. I use Saint Luxe Secret Admirer lip pencil, and this is like a brown color kind of lip liner. It's really, really pretty. It's long lasting. I got this one in my BoxyCharm. Use Bronze Astral from Pat McGrath. This is a beautiful lip gloss. It's so shimmery, but when you apply it on your lips, it doesn't look shimmery. So back to the foundation. It looks stunning. I really, really love it. I'm gonna carry on with my day, and I will come at the end of the day to show you guys how it looks. But I will zoom you in for the last time just to show you how it looks. It's really, really stunning. Very skin-like foundation. I really like it. It's really pretty, really, really nice on the skin. And when I said, like, I set the whole face with powder, I use the minimum. Like, I don't bake, so that's not my thing. I really don't like that powdery finish, even if the foundation is so dewy. Big brush from Morphe to kind of, you know, just do this with the powder. And I did the same with this powder here on my cheeks, just to kind of, you know, set the foundation in place so when I apply my bronzer, it doesn't look patchy. Everything looks very, very blended. Like, it's not looking patchy or heavy. Even between my eyebrows, when I said I have like dryness here, I do have some dryness on my nose, but it's not catching any of those dry patches, which I'm really happy because this is supposed to moisturize your skin. I'm really happy with the coverage and the way it looks on my face. So I will see you guys in a few hours. Hello everyone, I am back and it's 8:30 at night. I wanted to hop on here and just show you guys how the foundation looked like. It's been on my face for about 6 hours. I usually wear my foundation a little bit longer. This is what the foundation looked like. I'm really, really happy with the way it looks on my face. I do feel a little bit glowy, but it's not greasy. I don't feel it's oily. It's just a glow within, which these foundations are my favorite. So this will be really nice for people who have dry, normal skin. Combination will love that too. Probably people with oily skin, they might not like this foundation that much because it's a serum type of foundation. When you apply it, it gives you that glowy look. Even me as a dry skin person, I actually applied a powder on top of this foundation to set it because it was not set by the time I finished my concealer and everything. And my under eyes, so didn't break up anywhere, especially like here is my problem area around my mouth and my chin, but nothing happened. And I was wearing a mask and I had dinner, so the mask was on and off for about 2 hours or so. I feel like this foundation, the longer you wear it, the better it looks. This is how I feel personally. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can actually see it better on my skin. This is how it looks. And I have no highlight today. I was wearing my Almay blush, which has a sheen to it, so I tried not to. I said to myself, I'm not wearing any highlight just because of the way this foundation is, and it's very glowy and hydrated, so I skipped highlight today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and wear test. Please subscribe before you leave, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.